Alright, we're ready to swap out the restored roof rack with the original one. See my other video on that portion. All I did was get some trim paint, black trim paint, as well as some metallic silver, a little bit of sanding, a little bit of cleaning, paint it, after it's been taken apart basically. But to remove the roof rack from the car, not that difficult. You'll need an 8mm socket. You'll notice down in here, there we go, you'll have 3 of those, starting from up front, then here in the center, and then there in the very back. 3 of those little 8mm. And then to remove this little front cover, no big deal. Just get your flat blade screwdriver. Notice there's a little slot in the cover right here, and just pry that way. Be careful because it is plastic, you don't want to break it off. Just pry it back and then pull up, and she comes right off. Then you'll have those 2 8mm right there. Remove those guys. And if yours has been on for a while, or if your car is a little bit older, you may have to be a little forceful with it because it may be kind of stuck. And this portion right here, you have to pry that up also. So be careful doing that. You don't want to scratch up the painted surface of the car. But not that big a deal. And if you want to restore it like I did, you'll just take all this apart. All this joins together in a couple of pretty obvious slots, and you can take all of this apart, clean it real good, and then get your your trim paint, and you can make it look like that. And all I did was get metallic silver to paint the channel, and now it looks like that instead of that. But not very difficult. This is not difficult at all. But restoring your roof rack, if you're if you're making your car look like new again, then for just a few dollars in spray paint and a little bit of time, you can make it look fantastic. Anywho, check out our videos. We got lots going on with this car. 2008, 2009 Ford Taurus X. Subscribe, like, follow, blah, blah, blah. See y'all later.